and Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, northern Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeastern New York, eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gaylordsville to Port Washington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, New Haven, Stamford, Waterbury, Norwalk, Danbury, Meriden, White Plains, Milford, Middletown, Wallingford, Shelton, Naugatuck, Port Chester, and Guilford.